Fermenting vegetables is a powerful method to preserve and enhance their flavors. But did you know that it also offers numerous health benefits? From improved digestion to a healthier gut, fermented vegetables are packed with goodness. Introducing Burp Lids, revolutionizing vegetable fermentation. Burp Lids is changing the game with their advanced vacuum seal technology and airlock vacuum seal valve. These lids fit all wide-mouth mason jars, allowing you to ferment your veggies without the hassle of daily burping. Plus, their low-profile waterless airlock fermentation lids eliminate the need for cumbersome water-filled airlocks. But that's not all. Burp Lids offers a range of products, including extraction pumps and fermentation kits, to make your fermentation experience even easier. And with their BPA-free materials and high-quality construction, you can trust that your ferments will turn out perfect every time. What is fermenting vegetables? Fermenting vegetables is a natural preservation method that harnesses the power of beneficial bacteria to convert the sugars in vegetables into lactic acid through a process called fermentation. This not only gives vegetables a tangy and slightly sour taste, but also increases their shelf life. While discussing the sour taste and extended shelf life of fermented vegetables, one might wonder about traditional dishes like kimchi. Typically, it is fermented in a tightly sealed container, often an earthenware jar, which allows the flavors to develop over time under controlled conditions. This Korean staple, rich in probiotics, uses a similar lactic acid fermentation process, enhancing both its taste and nutritional benefits. As with using Burp Lids, the key is in creating an anaerobic environment where beneficial bacteria can thrive, transforming fresh cabbage and other ingredients into a tangy, flavorful, and health-promoting dish. The role of beneficial bacteria. The key to successful fermentation lies in the role of beneficial bacteria, specifically lactobacillus. These bacteria consume the sugars in vegetables and produce lactic acid as a byproduct. This lactic acid not only gives fermented vegetables their signature tang, but also acts as a natural preservative. Additionally, fermentation enhances the nutritional value of the vegetables by increasing the bioavailability of certain nutrients. Versatility of fermenting vegetables. Fermenting vegetables offers great versatility. You can ferment a wide variety of vegetables, from common ones like cabbage, carrots, and cucumbers to more unique options like radishes, beets, and garlic. Benefits of consuming fermented vegetables. Improved digestion. The beneficial bacteria produced during fermentation help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, aiding digestion and nutrient absorption. This can help alleviate common digestive issues such as bloating and constipation. Stronger immune system. The probiotics present in fermented vegetables strengthen the gut barrier, reducing the risk of infections and boosting overall immune function. Potential weight management. Some studies suggest that the probiotics in fermented foods may assist with weight loss and maintenance, though more research is needed. Promotes brain health. The gut-brain connection is a growing area of research, and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome through fermented vegetables may have positive effects on brain health. Getting started with fermentation. To begin fermenting vegetables, wash and cut your vegetables into desired shapes. Season them with spices, herbs, or salt to taste. Choose a fermentation method, such as lacto-fermentation or brine fermentation. For lacto-fermentation, submerge the vegetables in a saltwater brine. For brine fermentation, add salt directly to the vegetables. Use the right equipment, such as wide-mouth mason jars and fermentation weights, to ensure a successful fermentation process. With the right techniques and equipment, like the Burp Lids fermentation kit, you'll be on your way to enjoying the many benefits of fermented vegetables in no time. If you're interested in learning more about fermenting vegetables or exploring the range of Burp Lids products, visit the Burp Lids website. There, you'll find a wealth of information, including articles on brain health, weight loss, and flavor enhancement through fermentation. You can also browse their catalog of products, including the Burp Lids pack of 4 fermentation kit and the plastic Burp Lids curing kit, which are designed to make the curing experience easier and more successful. So why wait? Say goodbye to the hassle of daily burping and experience the convenience and efficiency of Burp Lids. Visit their website at burplids.com to learn more about their products and start your fermentation journey today. Craft your health, cultivate your life. Dawn.